What? What?
Oh my God.
What?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I found a piece of grass.
Wow.
Look at it. Look at it.
I'm gonna name it Jamimi. I named it Jamimi.
Oh my God.
Let's go run around the neighborhood.
If you want.
Let's go. Campbell, go run into that pumpkin.
No, we're not allowed to trespass.
Trespassing our neighbors is good.
What is that?
Look over there! It's a tree!
It's a cloud!
It's my mom.
Your mom's that fat?
Let's go spy on the neighbors. I see their house.
I'm sexy.
Let's spy on the neighbors. It's the neighbor's ugly yard. Ours is better.
Do you like my hat? Do you like my hat? Do you like my hat? Tell me if you like my hat!
No.
I don't like it.
Let's go explore the outdoors. Whee! Suckers! And here is some water. I'm washing my hands.
My mother ate my turtle.
We're running around the neighborhood. Running around the neighborhood. And we're stalking everybody. Look at this. We found something very rare you don't see in the street every day. What does it say? It says, Dauer des Old.
Campbell.
Oh, it's a walking dinosaur. Or it's Campbell.
Campbell, you missed it. There was this giant ugly bitch.
Stop sign.
Don't do it. Car!
Oh my gosh. Run! Ah! 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 Monster! Ah! Ah! Run! Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh, that was suicide! Thank you for watching our nature channel video.